mga kaibigan sa Phil Sports Arena for our main game today. PBA Friday as we take a look at the Quick Tide starting five, brought to you by Quick Tide, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite.
Ito expected starting lineup natin ng Pop Cola. You have Caparientos, Lastimosa, Rino, Hatfield, and Lastimosa. But you take a look at Red Bull Partner, wala si Willie Miller sa kanilang starting cast.
Starting out at the point will be Ato Agustin kasama ng kanyang last year's Rookie of the Year, Devon Harp, Mick Benisi. And then you have Edmond Reyes and Junti Valenzuela. Agustin takes the first shot of the game.
Partner yung ating trend watch na for
Yes,
this game.
oo nga pala. Yung napasimulan natin.
Sa tingin ko, partner, itong two statistical categories dapat natin bantayan. No? Turnovers and block shots. No? Last season, itong Pop Cola was number 1 in turnovers with 19.6 a game. At Red Bull naman was number 2 in turnovers, 18.8. So sa tingin ko, it's going to be a race for the most turnovers here. Of course, the team with the more turnovers should lose this game.
That's right.
So both these teams are brandishing almost brand new lineup, so to speak. No? Kaya turnovers will play a key role in this game. Yung pangalawa partner is block shots. No? I expect an up and down type of game from both these clubs. No? So the team that will control the interior, the team that will have more block shots, I think should have a decided edge. Incidentally, Red Bull was number 1 in block shots last season.
We talk about block shots. There's one mula kay Jojo Lastimosa, Super Bull Kasiltapal. Kanina si Mick Benisi, rather Devon Harp had a Super Bull Kasiltapal as well laban kay Nelson Azaytono. So maaga pa lamang ay nagpapakita na ng pruweta itong dalawang to pagdating sa sapalan. Samantala wala pa rin tayong puntos. Medyo nangangalawang pa itong dalawang teams na to. There's a near turnover. Hatfield almost losing it again. Rudy Hatfield, who came in from Tanduayan. Here's Johnny Avarientos. A lot of people have been saying, bakit nilipat ng Alaska? Well, Johnny will probably answer it this season. Kung nagkamali ka o hindi.
Time for a change, partner.
Well, that's
Alaska
true.
did not make the semifinals ng Governors Cup. Philippine coach Tim Thorne, things need to change. As in the NBA, for instance, the Boston Celtics, kung hindi sila nagbago, then naghihirapan sila. No? Actually, nahihirapan pa nga ngayon.
That's right.
Boston Celtics, but well, time moves, things evolve, and Alaska had to move on, and actually so did Johnny Avarientos. Nothing left to prove at Alaska, but now he's got a new challenge to Pop Cola.
We talk about the NBA. Patrick Ewing, after so long with the New York Knicks, is now with the Seattle Supersonics.
So, yeah.
There's no sentiment or anything in basketball. It's just a matter of
There are so many examples. Dave Cowens, for instance,
Yes.
of Boston Celtics, he ended his career with the Milwaukee Bucks.
oh yeah.
Robert Parrish, also a long-time Boston Celtics, he ended his career, I think, with the Chicago Bulls.
Ako nga, nagtapos din yung karir ko sa ano eh. Iba yung karir ko. Anyway, right now, ang ating puntalaan, laban sa dalawa. Kanina nagkaroon ng turnover, 9.5 remaining in the first quarter. Coach Rino, another transferee mula sa Alaska. And of course, Lastimosa used to play for that team as Hatfield, former Gold Rum Master, takes his first shot and misses it.
Yung napagit ko si Robert Parrish, I think he ended his career with the Charlotte Hornets.
Oh, yeah.
Back to the PBA, enough of the NBA.
Here's Hatfield, dapat kay Devon Harp, Rino, having a turnover.
Ito yung mga trend watch na sinasabi natin, no? Turnovers and block shots, both will be key statistics. Keep an eye on how these teams perform as regards with dalawang statistical categories.
Pop Cola finished the All-Filipino Conference last year in 6th place. Ang batang Red Bull was dead last at 10. They only won 3 games out of 11, but 2 of their actually 1 games were forfeited dahil doon sa problema ni Kirby Rimundo. And another turnover here, laban sa batang Red Bull. Lastimosa fouling, goes inside sapal ni Pinisi, si Hatfield.
Ito sinasabi natin, no? Red Bull being the number 1 block shot team in the PBA, they need to be able to control the inside to stop the other team from connecting on fast break layups.
Namumutak din ang Super Bull Kasiltapal dito sa first quarter. Mick Benisi ranks number 3, actually number 2 among the locals in shot blocks. Second only
record on those big men. Blocking shots, establishing their presence sa loob.
Nice tap mula kay Johnny A. And it'll go out after it hit the knee of Ato Agustin. So talagang walang mangyari sa iskoran dito. Well, we saw the first game. Mababa rin ang puntusan doon na hinito. Obviously, these two teams coming off about a month break. Medyo matindi ang production. Hindi masyadong gumigiling ang kanilang makina.
Well, sa dami ng turnovers, Marco, at sa dami ng block shots, you're not gonna see too many points scored. And quite coincidentally, those are the two statistical categories that we talked about sa Trend Watch
And
natin.
watch natin today. We will keep a close eye on that particular two departments of the game. In the meantime, it's still a 6-4 count. Reyes,
Napakayaan.
may tira yan dyan, pero wala yung kanyang pukol. And the ball tapped out by Junte Valenzuela. Both teams need this break. They're not going anywhere here in the first quarter.
Blocks turnovers.
Dr. Trusted Alaksan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan, doble visa, doble galing. And welcome back mga kaibigan sa inyong bayan ng Superstars para sa unang yugto ng laban ng Batang Red Bull at nakoponan ng Popcola Panthers. Ano ba ang trend natin dito sa ating dalawang stat na tinututukan?
Ito,
As we take a look at the
makikita
quick tie, yan.
Well, for Red Bull, already 4 turnovers, but tatlo ang kanilang block shots, no? For Pop Cola, 1 block shot, turnovers nila, tatlo. And that's the reason kung bakit Red Bull is up by 2 at the moment because of their 3 block shots.
Statistics brought to you by Quick Tie, the all-in-one tool technology by Loctite.
Ito, may turnover na naman.
Pino.
Oh, call another turnover.
Well, I don't know.
A race for the roses.
It's not exactly the kind of stat that both teams would like to see on their score sheet.
several practice games. They tied San Miguel 84 all at tinalo nila ang Pure Foods in a practice game. They did lose 3 practice games, however, no?
Yes.
To Alaska, to Tanduay, and to Ginebra.
Naubusan naman ang oras ang Batang Red Bull, and that will be another turnover here.
Sa tingin ko, partner, ito si Johnny Abarientos. Ang hinahanap niya sa kanyang mga kakampi, yung galaw that he was used to sa Alaska, no? You don't see too much movement in the offense of Alaska. Kanya parang naninibago ito si Johnny Abarientos. I think more than Abarientos adjusting, I think his players have to adjust that they need motion.
Kaya ako naninibago din ako na nakapop goal ang tupuglong player ng Alaska. Kaya ang ganda ng galaw ni Ponsuino, hanging in the air, avoiding the shot block and getting the 2 points off the glass.
Sabi siguro ni Poch Vito, kung hindi umubra itong triangle, ako na lang.
Ako na lang.
And he took it strong towards the hole, suspending himself. That's a great shot.
Under 3 minutes to play here in the first of our main game, ang huling dalawang koponan na nag-debut dito sa ating All-Filipino Conference 2001 season. Red Bull, Harp with the left hand, wala, rebound, napunta kay Antonio at tatakbo mga nakaitim. Hatfield, challenging Pinisi, off the glass, and then back-to-back hits for the Panthers. They're down by 3 here, 11-8. Rudy Hatfield with an impressive year last year with Tanduay, averaging 13.2 points per game in the absence of Eric Meng. Another rebound for the Hatman. And the pass behind William Antonio. Another turnover. Pop Gola down by 3 sa 2:05 mark. Magpapalik po ang PBA sa Viva TV. Mayang gabi kaninyang tanan sa ating mga kababayan sa Cebu City, and of course you're enjoying the superstars here. Rufa May with LJ Moreno on hand today sa bayan ng superstars. Bakit kaya nandito si Rufa May?
Well, first of all, she's the muse of Pacola.
Okay.
Pangalawa, well, you know the obvious.
Ano
no?
naman?
Kanya inspirado ito si Rudy Hatfield.
Kasi nandito si Ginito. Yun ang obvious ko. Here's Ponsuino. Muntik na mabitawan ng bola. Arencho in the ballgame. Now another transfer para sa Tanduay. There's a foul laban kay Lowell Briones.
Si Briones is called for the foul. Partner, sabi natin, stamina will be a factor in this game. I think both coaches realizing that, so they're going to their bench. They need fresh legs on the floor. Both these teams are committing a lot of turnovers. Up and down game ang nakikita natin, no? Very few setups dito.
Pido Arencho in his 16th season in the PBA, the most among all active players. Last year, he started 1 game out of 34 para sa Tanduay. And I guess, siguro sabi niya, it's also time for me to move on and maybe just borrow time here. 1 more season for Pido.
And usually, if you have enjoy a good season, you lead to another season, no? At ang balita natin, ito si Pido Arencho was sizzling hot in one Pacola practice game where he hit at least 6 3-point shots.
Wow. We know that's his role in the game. Here's another guy who can find a way from the outside, and Mick Pinisi does it. Mick Pinisi with a PLDD, IDD long distance shot. The first of the game para sa koponan ng Batang Red Bull, at labang sila ng 4 at the moment. enjoying his start para sa Popcola Panthers.
Alam mo, partner, he's gonna get a lot of scoring opportunities because he's gonna be playing with a master finding the open man, si Johnny Abarrientos.
Naubusan ng oras in the quarter para sa kumanan ng Popcola Panthers, but they came roaring back here. They're down by just one laban sa Thunder. This is the first quarter. Magbabalik po ang inyong bayan ng Superstars. Quarter, nanalo lamang ang Batang Red Bull ng isa 16-15, pero nakabalik doon ang Popcola after trailing by as many as 7 kanina at 11-4. And this is only a slice of this Friday crowd. Again, we're happy to have you with us, Philippines, sa inyong paboritong bayan ng Superstars. First look for this year, Willie Miller is on the floor for the first time para sa Batang Red Bull Thunder.
And so is Mon Jose.
Mon Jose naman sa kumpanan ng Popcola Panthers.
Ito sinasabi nilang bagong crush ng bayan.
Nako
Mon Jose.
ba nawili si Pido. Ako nabitawan ni Antonio ang bola pero lalabas at huling hawak ni Devon Harp.
Kasama na ulit significant na si Pido Horencio ang tumutok no, in the
Yes.
first quarter because he was a player off the bench at sa tingin natin, players off the bench will play very crucial roles dito. No?
Bakit ka mo?
Well, yung stamina factor, for instance, no? And a lot of these players, of course, coming out of the long layoff, yung bakasyon, out of shape. So you need fresh legs on the floor, and if you have fresh legs on the floor, they will most likely deliver first for you, no, off the bench.
Kirby Raimundo also returning to the Batang Red Bull Thunder lineup and missing his first shot as we take a look at our Quick Light numbers brought to you by Quick Light, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite.
But tumaglan na sila sa turnovers at the end of the first quarter, 7 turnovers apiece.
So walang may clear advantage, and that's why our score was 16-15.
Exactly.
Here's Pido. Lulusutan si Devon Harp. Nilaglag si Boss Ringo. Dilaglag!
Kamonte, hindi pa pumasok yun.
Low fear slam mula kay Ponsuino.
Alam mo, partner, ito si Pido Horencio. He's earned the respect of the Red Bull defense. Nung pumasok siya on that penetration, the defense collapsed on him at nagkaroon ng opportunity. Ito si Ponsuino na tumaktak.
Willie Miller and Kirby Raimundo on the floor together again. They played together sa Letran. And there's gonna be a whistle here. Loose ball foul laban kay Harencio.
Si Horencio pa. Siya bumagsak and he was pointing to Gade.
Ito yung
So
huling
kaya
play.
tama yung tawag. Ito, yung double team on Horencio inside. And Ponsuino with a 2 point.
Call long distance with PLDT IDD. Now up to 75% anytime, anywhere in the world sa PLDT IDD. Tawag na ng mas madalas. Miller inside to Devon Harp.
That's a beautiful pass, partner. Excellent recognition by Willie Miller. Nakita niya, wide open ito si Devon Hart. Didn't even have to double pump for that shot, partner, no?
Alam mo, na-interview ko to si Willie Miller nung PBA press conference. At sabi niya, sana naman huwag masyadong malaki ang expectation ng tao sa akin. Sabi niya, alam mo, bago pa lang ako dito, syempre, mga kapapa tayo. Pero magpapakita tayo, sabi niya.
Alam mo, partner, the word on Willie Miller is that he's a player who likes to pass first before shooting, no? And that's why his teammates love him.
Ba? Eh, dapat talaga magsabay sila ni Torion. Kasi si Torion naman, mahilig tumira bago pumasa.
Kaya problema they will replace each other on the floor, no?
Oo.
Although ito si Willie Miller, pwede na mag-two guard ito, no? Because of the shooting prowess.
Willie Miller is 23 years old and there's a traveling comment kay Pido Horencio. Another turnover here.
Ibang klase rin ang depensa ni Tugade. Give credit to Tugade for that.
By the way, our referees today, referees Fernante, Garperio, and Kalungkagin, calling the shots sa ating main game. Final two teams na hindi pa nagpapakita ng gilas. We've seen 8 of them. 2 more to go. Here's Willie Miller. Raimundo. Tigil maglaro to si Raimundo because nakapaglaro na siya eh. Nakatikim na siya. Tinanggal pa sa kanya. Yan ang mahirap eh.
Exactly. Scored or averaged 12.3 points in 6 games in the All-Filipino last season. dito sa Pacola. They've abandoned their triangle. Now they're going one-on-one now. They're going individual skills. Nelson Asaitono going to the line because he drove in on his own.
Asaitono missed about 9 games. Although he did not start in 9 games. He only played 23 games last year.
But he averaged over 17 points.
17 points a game. And not bad from the 3-point range. 32.3% si Nelson Asaitono as Coach Wino takes a rest now as si Jumbo Volado checks in for the first time as a Panther playing against his former team.
Elvis Asaitono, incidentally, with his average of 17 points last season, that is the second highest scoring average he has clipped dito sa PBA in the last 5 years.
Huh? So he has really picked up his game ever since leaving San Miguel, of course, and being in hibernation for a while.
Ito naman si Volado, nabanggit ko, checked in here for Pop Cola. He was traded to Pop Cola by Red Bull in exchange for a second round 2003 draft pick.
Welcome site, Mr. Joey Concepcion of the RFM franchise on hand today to see his Panthers.
Nakausap ko si Mr. Concepcion last Sunday, in fact.
He's looking fit and young.
Yes, looking very casual and informal, and he's very excited about this season. Sabi niya, he's got a lot of new players, a lot of new energy in the team.
And he's in the Panthers color, all black.
Oo.
Alam mo, nauso yung black na kulay nung panahon ng EDSA 2.
Yes, oo.
Kaya nakikipagay talaga ang mga komponent sa PBA. Samantala si Asaitono sa labas. Maiksi. Rebound. Wala nakapulot. Tugade picks up the loose ball. Miller. Ahead is Kirby Raimundo. Goodbye! Isinubo na lamang ni Kirby Raimundo and Batang Red Bull back on top by 2.
Again, the passing of Willie Miller. Kita mo, Martin, precision passing. Kita niya si Kirby Raimundo was just gonna go straight up for the hole without any difficulty in making that layup. Again, Miller making that play possible.
And then making this possible, a turnover laban kay sa Pacola because of a 10-second shot clock violation. Ito yung huling pasa ni Willie Miller. Kirby Raimundo, easy does it. 2 points din naman yan eh. In the meantime, may konting reklamo ang kumpuna ng Pacola dahil ang senyas ng referee, 10 segundo na ang nakalilipas. Pero if you look at the shot clock, it reads 15.
So, I think they're going to give the ball back to Pacola.
Yes, okay.
Tama naman yun.
Minsan, iba rin ang paningin siguro. Akala niya siguro 14 na yung Jumbo Volado loses the leather. Asaitono popping a bit. Offensive foul laban kay Volado. Another turnover here. Libre na si Asaitono eh. Pinasiwas pa yung bantay. Siguro may galit na si Volado sa kanyang dating kakampi. Practice. That'll be Volado's first foul.
Alam mo, partner, ang hinihintay ko, Pacola versus Tagway. Can you imagine? Palingit versus Volado.
Nako.
O kaya versus Pure Foods. No? Volado versus EJ Fire. Marami din tayong mga malalaking mga mama rito
Ay,
sa
nako.
PBA.
Malahikante na dito. Hindi na po pwede yung pipihira na yung Abarientos eh. At kaya naman talaga dito sa PBA, eh pagka pipitsugin ng yung talent, medyo may hirapan ka magtagal. Miller with a rebound. Outlet to Noel Briones. Watch this guy move. Bounce back, rather pass inside. Raimundo, and it's going to be a foul laban kay Jumbo Volado. That'll be number 2 now on Volado.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, the up and down game that we were expecting from both these teams. Red Bull looks like it has more cohesion in running the fast break. Ito si Coach Shot Reyes, and he's saying that dapat hindi naka-establish ito si Jumbo. He moved into the path of Kirby Raimundo. At sinasabi naman ni Coach Shot Reyes that Volado had established the position. Alam mo, partner, wala tayong marking dun sa ilalim, no? Yung parang no charge.
That's right. Nawala na yung dotted line.
But I think that's still in force.
I'm sure.
Hindi tayo nagkakamali.
We haven't seen any rule change on that particular rule.
But we don't see that dotted line underneath the hole, which establishes the no Garferio, who's inside the court. But during the PBA annual draft party, he showed up looking sleek in a beautiful suit and with a lollipop in his mouth.
And with the name Benisi, probably going Italian. Italian clothing. Sapal na naman. Super Bowl kasi tapal na naman mula sa batang Red Bull. Raimundo, hinarapan
Oh, yes.
and Raimundo with a stretch layup to give batang Red Bull Thunder a 5-point lead.
Ito yung transition game ng Red Bull.
Raimundo with 7 points. Lahat nagawa niya dito sa second quarter to tie scoring honors with Pido Arencio. And a tap out by Raimundo.
And anticipated pass coming from Monose, a weak entry pass. At mamapalitan yata si Monose.
Alam mo, the feeling you get here, Kenito, is that, well, these players, some of them are not yet in 100% shape here.
I think so. They're not in, shall we say, competitive form yet.
Oh.
And that's why we're seeing a lot of substitutions. Ito, 3-man substitution for Pampola. And a block by Willie Miller. Great defense.
Nako! Alawit, hinawi daw, sabi ni referee Garferio.
That's an offensive foul.
Again, great defense on the part of Nick Benisi. And now Monose will be replaced by Johnny A.
Si Willie Miller, partner, hindi pa nakaka-score, but he's making his presence felt here.
Oh! Jay
And that
Mendoza.
defense, assist, yeah.
Jay Mendoza is also in the game. I was just going to mention that. Transferee. And then Willie Miller.
Ito na, yan na puntos.
Willie Miller, who's only the 4th guard in PBA draft history to be chosen as the #1 pick after the likes of Alan Kaidik, Peter Howe, and Paulo Mendoza.
Actually, 2 in a row that we've had point guards chosen. No?
So yan.
Overall #1, si Paulo Mendoza last year.
Another turnover here. Dapat sa
Willie
Panthers.
Miller. Alam mo, ito magandang matchup that a lot of fans are awaiting. No? Yung Aparientos versus Miller.
Ito eh. Gusto ko rin mapanood to eh. Mendoza sa Tono. Panggaan ng dalawang mga macho. Arencio pulls up. Lapat kay Benisi. Short. Abarianos gets the rebound. 7-point lead for the Thunder, matching their biggest lead of the game. The spin. Abarianos naiiwan si Miller. Pasalot. Natapik ni Miller pero may region foul na itatawag against Miller time.
Kulang sa spacing, partner, no? But Aparientos had the right thing in mind. Take a roll situation. He wanted the switch so that Coach Quino could go strong to the hole with Willie Miller on the switch.
Asay Tono has been non-existent in offense here. 0 out of 7 on the ball. And he is hopping and popping right now. Quino sa loob. Naku, ipit ka dyan. Parigo. Another Super Bowl kasi tapal. Tries inside. There's Hatfield. 2 points. Off a pass to Coach Quino. 27-22. Lamang ang Red Bull ng 5.
So makikita natin, partner, with Devon Hart sitting down. You now see Nick Benisi. Kanina he was low posting, but he takes the outside shot just the same.
That was off a pass. The Willie Miller, that was a PLDD IDD long distance shot call long distance more often with PLDDs up to 75% off IDD.
Alam mo, partner, maganda ang flexibility ngayon ni Coach Liang Giao. No? He's got a lot of players who can play multiple positions. Earlier, we saw Nick Benisi posting up. Then he went outside to bring out his man and hit the 3-point shot.
Arencio again tries. No success. Nick Benisi has scored 2 3-pointers here. Ang average niya from that area is about 35%. Gets an offensive rebound. Then ipinasa kay Raimundo. And this is a huge front line para sa Batang Red Bull. Can you imagine ipasok pa si Devon Hart?
Exactly. Dapat nga dito si Devon Hart.
Raimundo dapat kay Wino.
quite well. He's smiling, and he's in very good spirits. Well, he's getting paid. Sitting down.
Oh.
It's a vacation for him, although it's a hurtful vacation.
Totoo yan.
He would rather play than sit.
Very competitive yan si Jimwell, and we know that his heart is in the basketball game. In the meantime, Lastimosa banks away from about 17, and that is his first field goal of the game.
At nakikita natin, partner, almost pure individual effort on the part of Papolan. Ang kulang sa pasahan, wala silang masyadong we knew it was going to be physical.
Devon Harp back in the game. Lordy Togade sitting down. Vicky Valenzuela is also in the game, and there's a loose ball picked up by Valenzuela, and a timeout will be called here. Nice move on the part of Junti. This will be a 30-second timeout requested by the Thunder with a minute and a half remaining here in the second.
You saw kanina, partner, a look of frustration in the face of Coach Uino.
Well, timeout muna tayo. Timeout means time for San Mig Light, the low-calorie beer. Only $12.50 at the store near you. Doon po sa hindi nakapanood ng ating first game, nagwagi ang koponan ng Shell Turbochargers against the Mobiline Phone Pals in a low-scoring game. 68-59 ang naging score natin dyan. Final tally, Mark Galan was our game's best player with 19 points and 6 boards today. So a good start for Shell, who did not particularly or did not have a particularly good ending to their season last year. And tapos natalo pa sila kumbaga sa roleta para kay Willie Miller.
Exactly. At yung Shell, partner, no, never made the quarterfinals in any conference last season.
And yet they were the defending champions.
Alam mo, partner, napansin natin itong top goal ang setting up for the outside shot because hindi talaga sila maka-penetrate. They're not able to penetrate or challenge that interior defense ng Red Bull. Kulang sila sa slasher, no?
Yes.
I think they need a penetrator. Right now on the floor, they've got two veterans in Lastimosa and Aparientos, who many years ago would probably be deft penetrators, but now they've lost a little bit of a step.
That's right. Well, nakabalik sila actually dito sa larong ito nung tumutok si Pito Harenjo from the outside. Mendoza, nauubusan ng oras. Sayang at pumasok pa naman. No basket with a minute and 12 remaining in the first half.
And talking about interior defense, partner, itong Red Bull already has 5 block shots sa larong ito, no, as against 2 from Papola. And in turnovers, mas marami ang Papola, 12 and 10. And those are the two statistical categories that we were focusing on. And sure enough, that's the reason kung bakit Red Bull is on top. Again, an outside shot by Papola.
And that mercifully drops in for Jojo Lastimosa. Valenzuela spinning. Another offensive rebound, rather offensive foul. Yan ang veterano, si Lastimosa. He was very focused. You know, he mentioned that he's very happy na nandiyan si Johnny Molen, nandiyan si Poch Sueño, and he feels that last year medyo hindi niya masyadong alam yung kanyang role, but this year kampante-kampante niya siya sa kampanya ng kanyang koponan.
Well, last year, Lastimosa averaged 9 points, partner. That was a career low for him ever since he entered the PBA in 1988. And there's an offensive foul.
You know, Mick Pinisi is a guy who's underrated pagdating sa kanyang depensa.
Oh, exactly.
Oh, he's such an incredible defender. He just took that offensive foul. He's had several block shots, a couple of block shots here. He can shoot from the outside, and he's just a big fellow inside the shaded lane.
Yung sinasabi natin, yung interior defense ng Red Bull, kanya hindi talaga makapasok itong Papola, no? But they need to be able to slash. They need to open up that inside defense of Red Bull. Kung wala silang slasher, partner, they are going to be a jump shooting team all game long. And if you're going to take those jump shots instead of layups, you are going for lower percentage shots.
And now a 30-second timeout has been requested by Coach Yang Yao, or rather by Coach Chot Reyes. Game's heating up. Time for a break with ice-cold San Mig Light. Only $12.50 at a store near you. Again, we're happy to have you with us, Philippines. Ating main game today, araw po ng Biyernes. Noli Iyala po kasama si Kinito Henson. Remember, tomorrow we will have an out-of-town game sa Urdaneta, Pangasinan. Kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? Ang bayan ni Marlo Aquino. Magtutunggali ang koponan ng Barangay Ginebra at saka ng Tanduay. That should be a very interesting match.
That's right, and our Viva Vintage Sports COO, si Mr. Ronnie Nathaniel's already in Urdaneta, as well as the both protagonists, no, yung Tanduay.
I'm sure they're watching this game tonight.
Yes. And I'm sure they're also watching all these pretty faces we're seeing on the screen and wishing they were here.
37-28.
Referee 3-point shot galing kay Johnny, yes!
They needed that badly. PLDT, IDD long distance shot. Enjoy longer long distance goals, whatever the distance. With PLDT's up to 75% off IDD. See, Johnny A will be whistled for a foul with 6 seconds remaining here.
And partner, what a way to do it, no? Meron efficient three-point shot, but he gave up the foul on the penalty. And with 6.4 seconds to go, instead of playing tough defense para hindi na maka-score itong Red Bull, now Red Bull will be at the line, Harp in particular, for 2 free throws.
Devon Harp, who struggled in his rookie year from the free throw line. Remember his very first game, I think he missed something like 7, if I'm being kind to him. Pero he has improved gradually, and Devon Harp splitting from the line.
Well, 45.3% free throw shooting by Devon Harp, and he shot higher percentage from the floor than the free throw line last year. And it's usually the reverse, partner.
Oh, libre yung free throw, kaya nga free. 3 seconds remaining here. Both teams now in the penalty. Lamang ang Red Bull ng 7. Wino with a catch. Wino with a jumper. Wino with a shot. And almost got the basket. And that'll do it sa ating unang kalahati ng laban na ito. Medyo mababa na naman ang ating iskoran, but the Youth Brigade of Yengyao and Batang Red Bull leading the charge here with a 7-point lead for Red Bull over the Popcola Panthers. Diyan lang po kayo, magbabalik ang ating Bayan ng Superstars with our at the half presentation. Lance Raimundo live together with our Adidas halftime report. Welcome back mga kaibigan sa ating main game today as we prepare for the third quarter. Alam mo, Kinito, hindi lahat ng bagay na madumi eh masama o malas. Si Mick Pinisi, yan ang kanyang maduming sapatos, Adidas yan. Pero kita mo naman, halos laspag na laspag na, ginagamit pa rin niya. Kaya lang sabi ni Mick Pinisi, yan ang kanyang swerte. Yung kanya-kanyang pahiyang ika nga o kanya-kanyang lucky charm dito sa PBA.
Sabi naman yung medyas na pinapalat nila.
Yun ang di ko alam. Yun ang di ko alam. Baka
Maski na yung sapatos pa rin, huwag sana lang yung medyas.
sana po tapos na rin kayo kumain lahat na nanonood sa atin ngayon. And welcome back mga kaibigan as we begin the third quarter of Antel Thunder ng 38-31. At ang bola ay mapupunta sa panig ng koponan ng Popcola.
Alam mo, partner, sa sama ng nilalaro ng Popcola, they're really not far away from Red Bull's point total. No? They're only 7 points behind at hindi pa natin nakikita yung Gilas ni Johnny Abarientos at
right.
Coach Winyo at Jojo Lastimosa. Nelson Agartono also hasn't really shown in this game. He's got only 1 point so far.
He has had a horrendous shooting day. 0 out of 7 from the field. His only point coming off a free throw.
At si Johnny Abarientos, 2 out of 6 from the floor. At sabi nga natin, he's got to assert himself on the floor. He only has 1 assist.
Again, it cannot be overemphasized. As we see Daytona finally getting into the defense, na iba talaga yung game situation na kung saan ngayon lang kayo maglalaro together as a team in a real game. At ngayon nagpapakita ng konting signs na ito Popcola nagkakaabuyan na ng bahagya. Reyes, naip, naagaw niya pa rin ito sa pasa niya. This is a 5-point ball game.
Maganda yung depensa ng Popcola. They bubbled at the post. Rudy Hatfield. Maganda yung depensa si Johnny Abarientos na nag-double to kanina, partner. And that's why he found a way to swipe the ball. Tapos, quick pass over to Rudy Hatfield. Magandang pasimula ng Popcola dito sa ating third quarter.
They need that dahil alam natin na pag medyo lumaylay ang performance mo dito sa third, pivotal itong third quarter. And Hatfield missing his first free throw.
Hatfield only 4 points in this game so far. At ang kanyang strong point yung rebounds, partner, he's got only 4 so far. Yung isang offensive rebound, wala siya, no? And I think he was boxed out very effectively by the big men of Red Bull. Considering that Popcola missed or shot only 32% from the field, that means they missed a lot of shots.
Another offensive foul here.
defensive adjustment on the part of Coach Chotres. Kanina nabanggit natin na talagang hindi makapasok ito Papola because of the tough interior defense of Red Bull. Ang kailangan nila ay slasher. Maybe not a slasher, but a big man who can power his way into the paint and go strong for the basket.
And that
A nice
big man
post-up move, yeah.
is Nelson Aceitono. PLDT IDD is now up to 75% off. Now you can call your loved ones abroad with cheaper rates and clear connections. PLDT IDD, tawag na ng mas madalas. And Aceitono delivering here in the third quarter. He has a total of 6 points, 5 coming here in the third. Oops! Agaw na nga ng tuluyan. Hatfield has the leather up against Briones. Escape Briones with a left hand, and Papola has taken over the lead. What a comeback. Another turnover. Lastimosa grabs it. Ang bola na bitawan. Aparietos is there diving for the ball. And that's what you want to see if you're Joey
Yes.
Concepcion. Two veterans almost.
Lumalaban.
Oh, Lastimosa and Aparietos on the floor.
Yes, and Johnny Abarrientos, watch. Lastimosa here and Abarrientos diving for the ball.
Akin na yan. Sabi niya.
Woo!
You would never think that this guy, well, it's just coming up out. Hey! Pinapitan ni Lastimosa.
Ginawa ni Jojo.
Alam mo, delikado pa ngayon dahil si Harp sa lakas ito.
Oo.
Kayang idaktak niya kahit kumapit ka eh.
Anything to stop the layup, partner.
Yes.
That seems to be the tenor now of the Papola defense. No easy shots here for Red Bull, and they're beginning to double, partner. They're beginning to scramble and trap.
Now, the Rookie of the Year for the 2000 season, Devon Harp, at the line. What a season he had in his maiden year at the PBA.
Double-double ang average niya, partner, no? He averaged 13.8 points and 11.2 rebounds.
Finished 5th in rebounding. See Devon Harp, he was 13th in scoring. Unbelievable season for him, and he continues despite the fact that he was never really a scorer nung panahon naglalaro siya even for the PBL. Bounce pass inside, hindi mahabol ni Hatfield, and it will be a turnover against the Panthers.
Again, that's the bane of Papola. Yung turnovers nila, partner, no? They need to be able to check those turnovers. Red Bull has gotten back the lead.
40-39. Isa po ang abante ng Thunder laban sa Panthers. Agustin coming closer. Nilabas ni Briones from the side. Rebound. Picked up by Aceitono. Even without jumping. Ahead si Lastimosa. Briones is there. No problem. That's Jolas.
Ito, tumatakbo ngayon itong Papola. This is something we didn't see in the first half, partner. It was Red Bull na tumatakbo. Ngayon naman ang Papola playing transition.
They only had 2 points. Ang Papola sa fast break in the first half. 7 naman ang batang Red Bull. And
Viño's
sprawled.
down.
Yes, sprawled on the floor.
I'm sure he's winded, partner. It's an offensive foul.
Laban kay Edmund Reyes. And he may have going.
Boy,
Maselang bahagi ng kanyang katawan.
below the belt shot, partner.
Oh, tinamaan, and Guiño is just
Still down,
grimacing.
writhing in pain. He's being attended to now by Dr. Ben Salud. And,
Yan yung itinatalon-talon mo para mawala yung
Oo.
sakit eh. Let's watch it again.
ooh. Actually, maraming tama yun. May siko, may tuhod. And,
From this angle.
let's watch it again. Yeah, there's the knee.
Ay.
There's the knee, tapos meron pang, well,
Well,
sort of like a facial also.
and this will be a timeout. A timeout called here. We'll be back. Back to live action dito po sa Phil Sports Arena. Nagkaroon ng dribbling violation si Nelson Aceitono, and will give possession back to batang Red Bull, and that's our score right now with 9:13 remaining sa third quarter.
Naging predictable na ang offensive thrust ng Papola, no? Put the ball in the hands of Nelson at the low post, kanya he was triple team. Dapat mabilis ang galaw ng bola ng Papola, no? If they see the triple team is coming, they need to be able to move the ball around and take advantage Johnny Abarientos and his drive to the hole, no?
You know, I don't know. He looks a lot leaner now, and he may have lost too much weight
Oo.
in the banging and roughness nitong game na to. Medyo kailangan mo ng konting timbang.
But still, Johnny Abarientos winking at the camera.
Marunong yan eh. Marunong pumiyar yan si Johnny. Azaytono, lulusutan si Raimundo. And there's gonna be a foul here.
Yan naman ang game ni Nelson Azaytono. The ball at his fiercest. Drawing the foul in his drive to the hole. He's such a powerful player, partner. The power play yung ginagawa ni Johnny, ni Nelson actually.
At napakagulang na ni Nelson
Oo.
Azaytono dito sa larong ito. He has been all around.
Alam mo, partner, last year na kontrata niya. Kanya magpapakita
Oh yes.
si Nelson sa season na to.
He averaged 33 minutes a game last season, shooting 76% of his free throws, but he misses that one. 8:03 remaining dito po sa ating third quarter.
Oh, here's Al Solis
Uy,
checking in. Partner,
First
before
look.
this game, he said that he wanted to play another season sa PBA because he's 8 3-point shots short of reaching 1,000.
abay, sayang nga naman.
Sabi niya, ito pagsisikapan niya to be able to reach the 1,000 3-point shot mark in this conference. He was signed by Red Bull only for one conference.
Diba? So he has one conference to make that 1,000.
Of course, if he does well dito sa conference na to, maybe he'll be extended.
Solis taking over the point guard chores now from Ato Agustin. Devon Harp is in the quarter court. Narito si Lowell Priones. Sees a little bit of an opening. Pinasa pa kay Raimundo. Wala yung tira niya. Kapik. Napunta kay Hatfield. Binigay kay Abarientos. Too low for Johnny A. And here's Priones.
It's a
3-on-1.
4-on-1.
Binigay kay Togade. And Togade scores. Lastimosa was trying to take the charge there. Lowell Briones has been contented passing the ball. Ginito, hindi siya tumitira bagamat libre siya kanina. Azaytono nasa tabi. 1-on-1 laban kay Kirby. Pinot Mazaere, wala. Raimundo controls the rebound.
Alin lalong control nito si Nelson Azaytono, partner, no?
Devon Harp, lusot kay Lastimosa, goes the reverse.
Yes.
And Red Bull back on top by 2. Harp now with a total of 13 to lead all scorers here. He finished the half with 9. Lastimosa sa labas. And enough time to take a beat at the basket. Wala na naman yung kanyang tira. And only one shot being given to Bob Cola, Kinito. Uy!
Yan ang mga concentration lapses that you need to avoid.
Edward Nino is back in the game. Azaytono will sit down.
Well, he's tired, partner, and he was taking bad shots already.
Oh.
Pinapwersa na niya ang sarili niya. And that's a good move on the part of Coach Shot Reyes.
Turnover numbers ating Quick Time board brought to you by Quick Time, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite.
Beto, nagbaliktad, partner. Red Bull with 8 turnovers. That's the reason why Pop Paul has been able to scramble back into this game.
Exactly. Our trend watch continues here with the turnovers and the shot blocks. In the meantime, there's a whistle here by referee Kalungkagin. Lowell Priones will be called for his second foul. And Rudy Hatfield will go to the line.
Maganda itong fashion statement ni
Lowell.
Priones, partner, no? Yung pahabaan ng buhok. And in the NBA, parang hindi na nagiging uso yung kalbo.
Ganun ba?
Yes, a lot of the players now are beginning to sport their hair.
Abay, dapat sabihin natin sa
Again.
mga referee yan. Dahil mga referee, sumusunod sa uso yan eh. Kita mo naman yung mga referee natin.
No, nada.
Samantala si Hatfield makes the first free throw. And Ato Morano will be checking in for the first time. Si Ato Morano, the 20th overall pick in the 2001 draft, 28 years old, and was born here in Manila.
Actually, malapit ang birthday niya to, no? February 12, he turns 29.
Valentine's boy
Coach Yengia, who's brought back Willie Miller on the floor to play alongside Al Solis. Solis, a more natural number 2 guard.
Miller taking on Morano. Morano gets away momentarily, but Miller with his quick hands snapping that ball out.
Edison Morano is a veteran, although it's his first year in the PBA. He has played for 7 national teams.
Wow.
Played for the Southeast Asian Games in 97 and 99.
Very mature player si Ato Morano.
But si Coach Wino, hindi pa nga nagpapakita si Coach. Oh, that ball will still stay with Pacola.
5 seconds na lamang sa shot clock ng Panthers. That unit on the floor para sa Pacola is something that does not have a real scorer. Miller with a catch and he'll go all the way to the basket.
Lumilipad
flashy
ito si
Willie Miller,
Willie,
yes.
Lumilipad.
Saka parang ang laki ng kamay niya, no?
Yeah.
He can hold that ball with
He's very
ease.
athletic, that's one thing for sure.
Oh, Morano gets away from Willie Miller.
That's a beautiful pass. Nahuli yung ata doon si Willie Miller.
Kanina pa nila gusto gawin yun eh.
Oo.
Yung una, medyo nahuli pa ni Miller. Itong pangalawa, hindi na. And Morano gets back at Miller. 48 to 46. Dalawa po ang abate ng Pacola. 4.5 remaining in the third. Miller.
But double team si Miller, ha?
Kogat is the open man. Wala.
Oh,
sayang.
Hatfield. Throwing that ball away.
Breaks up the game.
Yung isang play na hindi pa natin nakikita dito for Pacola is Hatfield coming from the top of the key and going strong toe. So that's a play that Coach Al Francis Chua at Tanduay used to do. And they executed that with perfection.
That's what led to the double-digit average of Rudy Hatfield. Dun sa Tanduay, in the meantime, Chris Polado.
Kasi si Hatfield is a player who can play number 3 or number 4. Now at number 3, he has a wide latitude of space from which to start or initiate his dribble or Rudy Hatfield.
This is a guy who averages 9.5 rebounds. When he was with Tanduay, he was 7th in rebounding dito po sa PBA. Miller laban kay Ato Morano. 2:11 remaining in the third. Hide and seek. Here I go. Drop pass to Pinisi.
Yes.
No basket.
Sabi nila.
But both teams are already in the penalty. So that'll send Willie Miller to the line.
Kita mo yung play, partner, no? Willie Miller using the big setup by Davon Harp. Tapos hinintay niya, coming from the weak side, yung malaking tao na si Mick Penisi for the drop pass. Yun nga lang, there was a foul before the play, but Penisi made the shot. Here's Willie Miller. He creates situations, partner, on the floor.
I think that's the best way to describe him. He really is a guy who creates a shot or a situation for his team. As we take a look at Rosan Prieto and Mabel Soriano on hand today. Dito po sa ating bayan ng superstars. They're at Commissioner's Row. Here's a look at Willie Miller. Number 1 pick overall. Ating draft. And he has a total, check his numbers, 8 points here, 4 here in the third. 1 point lead para sa Red Bull. Under 2 minutes to go. Dribbling violation laban kay Pito Harencio.
Parang Paming yun eh. The way he lifted the ball as he stutter step.
Alam mo, considering that it's already about 9:30 in the evening here, medyo mabagal ang ating laro, and that's because of a lot of turnovers and a lot of fouls here.
Exactly. But it's been a very exciting game.
Oh yes. Been a close one here at the Phil Sports Arena. Biggest lead has been 9 points. Pacola only led at the opening bell 2-0, and ever since that time it's been all thunder.
I think they got the lead
Oh, yes.
by 1 point earlier kanina sa third quarter. Ito si Willie Miller.
In and out. But again, the biggest lead of Pacola has been 2 points.
Oo.
Hatfield, laban kay Pinisi. They move it around. 12 seconds of shot clock ng Panthers. Rino on the attack. Pasa niya. Nabitawan. Miller picks it up.
Too much passing, partner. Dapat ito si Will Antonio. He had an opportunity to penetrate and score.
Inside.
Oh, yes.
Devon Harp at close range is almost unstoppable.
And that's why his field goal percentage, partner, is so high.
Ooh, sinuwag. Sinuwag yan. Yes, offensive foul.
That's the right call, partner. And Penisi, he certainly knows how to take a charge, partner.
Well, he's made of nails
Ang interior
and steel.
defense, eh. It's interior defense, partner. He certainly knows how to position himself.
Yes.
Nakuha niya yung charging foul on Rudy Hatfield. Ngayon naman si Hatfield, babalik sa bangko nila.
Oras po natin, 52 seconds. In the third, a 3-point lead para sa Batang Red Bull Thunder.
Again, they post up Willie Miller. Again, the double team. Yun naman ang nangyayari.
Mahirap talaga. Miller has been,
Miller's too good a passer, partner,
Yes.
when you double team. And I think that's a weapon that Coach Yengia was uncovered, partner, no? Post up Willie Miller because once you double team, he knows how to pass.
he's finding every hole on the defense. Amarientos back on the floor. Laban kay Willie Miller. Sa kanto si Will Antonio. Bounce pass inside. Huino double team, and there's going to be a foul. Laban kay Miller. They are in the penalty, and that'll send Huino to the line. What an impact this guy has had on the game. Grew up in Olongapo City. Si Willie Miller played for the Latran Knights. He's 23 years old. And played for the Nueva Ecija Patriots. In the meantime, si Huino, nasa linya, his numbers today, perfect from the free throw line. Pero parang hindi pa nagkakasabay yung putok na opensa ng Pacola. Minsan si Huino gumakumaka na, minsan si Asaytono marakalakas, minsan si Hatfield, hindi pa nagsasabay.
Ano ba, partner, baka dito sa fourth period, makikita na natin yung pagputok ng Pacola. Because they're showing signs of recovery here in the third quarter. Although Winyo missed that second free throw, Miller incidentally check his or update his assist total. 7 na ang kanyang assist.
Wow. And he has a total of 8 points to go with those 7 assists. So what a debut for Willie Miller at the point guard
double team, he had no room to dribble. That's a rookie mistake.
No,
He learned from that.
he's got huge hands. Did you see how the way he picked up that ball? Parang namimitas lamang ng tennis ball, yung mga ball boy ng tennis. Oh, a bad inbound there. But that'll do it sa ating third quarter. Red Bull hanging tough here in the third. Pero ang Popcola Panthers mukhang nakakuha na ng lunas. They're down by just 4. Muli kayo mga kaibigan. Welcome back sa ating Bayan ng Superstars. Yan ang ating Quick Tide board brought to you by Quick Tide, the all-in-one blue technology by Loctite. Quarter scoring here has been going up para sa Popcola. 15-16 tapos 24. They had a big third quarter and that's why they've been able to whittle down that lead somewhat.
Kasi si Kirby Raimundo announcing his re-entry dito sa ating fourth quarter.
11 points para kay Kirby. Goaltending. Of this game has been well, parang sporadic eh. Hindi minsan nakakalat sila, minsan there's flashes of brilliance on the floor, and that's obviously because nagtatansyahan pa sila, you know?
Especially in the first half, partner, ang daming turnover na nakita natin sa bench. Looks like in the second half parang nag-settle down na yung dalawa eh. So nagkakaamuyan na yung mga bagong mga kakampi.
Remember, we only had the draft January 14. We opened our gates January 28th. It's been about 2.5 weeks for these teams just to get their lineups completed. Inside pass, Hatfield. Bounce pass inside the Antonio. Natapik ni Willie Miller.
Quick hands of Willie Miller.
I don't know if John Arrigo will be jealous that it will be Miller time for Willie Miller because I know that John Arrigo is a Miller, Reggie Miller.
Oh,
What a shot here. Hatfield.
Ang sabi ni Hatfield, para kay Buba yun.
That is a PLDT IDD long distance shot. Now save up to 75% off on your IDD when you call long distance. The lead has been cut down to 61-60. About 2 minutes gone by in the final quarter. Raimundo with a turnaround and he has 13 in the game.
What a pass, partner, no? That pass went through the defense. That was all over Raimundo.
He has the enthusiasm that can lift the spirits of his teammates on the floor. You know, he has got the bounce on his as Azagono banks away from about 16. But Willie Miller, you know, you have to like the way he carries himself.
Alam mo, partner, ever since he came back, came in, hindi niya yata napalitan nito si Spiller, no?
Hindi pa.
Here in the second half.
Asa sa loob ni Raimundo, naagaw niya sa Itono. Johnny, siya nagdadala ngayon, 9.5 remaining in the final quarter. Hatfield in the long court. He's being matched up against Willie Miller, or rather that's Antonio. Aparietos picking up the loose ball, cross court, Aceitono, 4 seconds of shot clock. Expected to take that one, and it's way short. 3 minutes gone by in the final quarter. Here's the kid. Spinning. He is there. Gets away and Kirby Raimundo showing a little toughness here. You know, he has the finesse moves. He's got the outside shot and now he's showing a little physicality. Watch this. Boom.
Oh, that should have been a charging partner, huh? He used that body to move the defense away.
PLDT Slow-Mo, call loved ones abroad with PLDT IDD. Now up to 75% off so you get cheaper rates and clear connections. Sa PLDT IDD, tawag na ng mas madalas. Nice pass by Aceitono. Antonio cannot deliver. Ang ganda naman ng pasa. Hinapol ni Solis. That was a great lead pass. Maybe for a 26-year-old. There's Pinisi.
Pumaposte naman si Pinisi ngayon.
Libis is Solis. He needs 8 to make 1,000. He missed that one. Antonio is ahead. Abulin! Yes!
Alam mo, partner, nakita natin kanina si Pinisi posting up. Here's Antonio saying that he was fouled. I don't think there was any foul. But he made the layup, so count the 2 points. Kanina nakita natin si Kirby Raimundo. Well, hindi nga natawagan ng charging, but partner, you gotta give him credit because he had the move and he had the shot.
As we said, nagpapakita siya ng konting lakas ng katawan. Isa pa, same spot, same result. Pinisi with an offensive rebound. And his pass, well, he stepped on the line before he could pass that ball. Nakakamoy ng panganib. Ang batang Red Bull Thunder, the Panthers are clawing back here. They're down by just 1. Doble visa, doble galing. At muli po isang magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Sa ating mga kababayan sa Urdaneta. Well, abangan niyo po ang Barangay Ginebra Kings at Tanduay Rum Masters sa PBA on the road. Bukas po yan sa Urdaneta Cultural Center. That'll be at 5 p.m. We will be covering that over Viva TV. So, well, kung hindi kayo makakapunta ng Urdaneta Cultural Center, you won't miss it anyway because we will be there to cover that game for you.
Magandang matchup yun, partner. Coach Alan Caidic versus Coach Derek Pumaren.
Yes.
Brilliant young coaches. At mapapanood po natin si Mark Kagiwa, the first round draft pick of the Barangay Ginebra in that game.
Oh, nice move. Excellent move by Rudy Hatfield. Just a quick burst of speed, and there's Rufa May. A little smile. And Bob Cola has taken over the lead. High-low play. Napunta kay Agustin ang bola. Inilabas ni Willie Miller. 5 seconds to shoot. Raimundo. 3, 2 to go. Raimundo with a stretch. Wala. Ang bola napulot niya sa Itono. Gets away from Jay Mendoza. Here's the ball. Fake. Goes up. Wala. Hatfield again. Wala pa rin. But there's gonna be a whistle.
He was fouled. And again, Rudy Hatfield doing what he does best. Second shot opportunities. Kumakayat na ngayon ito si Rudy Hatfield.
Ang walang kapagod-pagod na Rudy Hatfield. 5 fouls na ngayon. Si Kirby Raimundo. And that'll send the Hatman to the line.
Alam mo, partner, maganda rin depensa pinapakita ni Hatfield on the other end of the floor. Playing front defense of Pinisi. Pinisi is now posting up down low. At yan ang role ni Pinisi kung wala si Harp on the floor. No? He posts up and Harp sits down. Ngayon, papasok na si Harp. So you will see Pinisi now going outside for the perimeter 3-point shots.
Aba, si Jay Mendoza ang iniupo ni Yang Giao Quinito. So this is the first time we will be seeing Pinisi, Harp, and Raimundo all at the same time.
Tingin ko, partner, he wants a big body on Rudy Hatfield. No? And he wasn't happy with Mendoza's defense on Hatfield. Now he's got maybe a Harp on Rudy Hatfield to put a body on Hatfield and prevent the second shot opportunities.
This is a huge front line for Batang Red Bull. Miller. Pasa niya kay Harp. Looks upstairs. It creates 16 seconds sa kanilang shot clock.
Malayo pa to.
The ball at nabitawan. Agustin throws up a prayer. Wala. Tapik ni Pinisi. Wala pa rin. Napunta na naman kaya sa Itono. Lamang si Antonio. There's Miller. Gets the ball knocked out of his hands. But Abarientos is there for the putback.
Abarientos loose ball situation. Apatan lamang na Pacola.
They were playing possum for about 3.5 quarters. And now they have come alive. The Panthers are roaring.
Pinisi's posting up. It's an isolation. No double team. There's Pinisi.
Yeah.
What a shot.
Mick Pinisi with a strong move towards the hole. At
Alam mo, partner, yun ang
Rudy Hatfield na may foul.
You take a look at this play. Mick Pinisi, what guts, partner, and what strength. Tatlo na ang sumapay sa kanya. And he got the shot. He's at the line for the bonus free throw. Partner scouting reported Pinisi during practice games. Yun ang talagang pinapractice niya, no? Yung post-up plays. We know him more as a perimeter player, but partner, he's 6'9".
Oh, yes.
He needs to post up to take advantage of his height.
And he's beginning to show that particular side of his repertoire. Isa lamang ang abante ng Pop Goal after the 3-point play as Itono going through the lane. That will not drop for him. Harp gets the rebound. Tumatakbo si Raimundo. Feeling
Kirby Raimundo. That jump hook, hindi lang pumasok, no? But that's a good move.
And
A
that's why
smooth move.
Yang Giao and the rest of the Batang Red Bull Thunder are very bullish about their year. They know that Raimundo is their franchise player, and he didn't even play noong kanyang play much during his first season. A turnover here. Here's Miller.
Nice anticipation by Willie Miller.
Papasok tayo ng 5 minuto dito po sa huling yugto. Agustin, bumapos si Barrientos, goes up, and there's a foul laban kay Johnny. That's a nice move mula kay Atom Bomb.
Veteran move, partner, by
Yes.
Ato Agustin. Nakita niya yung kanyang mismatch at the post. And a curl move, and Johnny Barrientos just too short to stop that post-up move by Agustin.
Ato Agustin has had a magnificent career as a PBA. We know him as the MVP back in '92. Started his career with San Miguel, of course. Moved over even to the RFM franchise. Went to the NBA and then came back to the PBA when Red Bull checked back in its maiden year. It's been a magnificent. He was actually the cornerstone of Red Bull's build-up noong last year.
What a career he has had, partner, because si Ato Agustin last year averaged 11.7 points. That's the highest in
In a while.
in over 5 years.
Yes.
For Ato Agustin since leaving the PBA and going to the NBA.
Red Bull has taken over the lead here, 70-69. As I told you, challenge si Harp. Inside kay Hatfield, natapit ni Pinisi, napunta kay
Passing is
Raimundo.
too tight, partner.
4-on-2. Here's Raimundo,
yes.
nice pass! Oh, wala yung tira.
I spoke too soon, partner. Hindi pumasok yung layup galing kay Kirby Raimundo.
Sayang. Pasok na, iniluwa pa. Hatfield from the outside, wala. Rino with a strong rebound, he goes up.
Yes! And they'll call the end one situation.
What a move from Pochuino. He took that ball away from the 6'9" Pinisi. Hesitated for a while. Panoorin natin dito. Konting fake. Strong move. Then the foul. And the veteran Pochuino gives Pop Cola a 1-point lead.
Alam mo, partner, in that move of Pochuino, if Nick Pinisi sort of just fell back, he would have been called for the charge.
That's right.
Because Pochuino ducked inside and tried to move Nick Pinisi's defense away. Kung ito si Nick Pinisi medyo mahina-hina, he would have gone down, he would have called the charge. But there was a no call in that situation.
And it's now 14 points for Rino and a 2-point lead para sa Pop Cola. Illegal D here. We've not heard of that violation too much in this game. First lamang para sa Pop Cola Panthers. 4:09 remaining here in the final quarter. The Panthers of Chot Reyes up by 2. Their biggest lead has been only 4 points. It's been that close dito po sa Phil Sports Arena. Miller 1-on-1 against Antonio.
Ito, hindi na double think si Willie Miller. They let him take the outside shot.
Gets his own miss. Agustin open, steps on the line. Wala. Hatfield with a big rebound. Here he comes. Rudy challenges. And
Almost. But boy, he's playing like a man possessed. Ito si Rudy Hatfield.
And I'm sure his former coach, Alf Francis Chua, is
Very happy
with the way his boy is performing. And he is all popped up, and so are the Pop Cola fans. And why not? They're on top by 2 and looking good. Well, the action is picking up sa All-Filipino Conference on Sunday. The games will resume sa Araneta Coliseum. First game po natin Santa Lucia Realtors against the Beermen of San Miguel. And in our main game, the TJ Hot Dogs of Pure Foods against the Aces of Alaska. Bakbakang umati ka po sa inyong bayan ng Superstars.
Well, grudge matches yan. Santa Lucia and San Miguel, of course, duked it out in the finals of the second conference, and Pure Foods Alaska duked it out in the All-Filipino Cup last season in the finals.
Oh, well, so that'll be a championship night,
Oh.
championship day. Rudy Hatfield making his first free throw. What a story, too. It was Rudy Hatfield. Started his career at the NBA, and he just wasn't contented, and he just knew he had to play where he would be utilized and I guess challenged, and now Francis Chua picked him up. And why? Had a great time with him, of course, with Eric Meg and Alvarado's problems. Rudy Hatfield just picked up his game. Narito si Agustin, laban kay Barrientos. Cross court. Pinisi faking. Miller, katabi. Inside. Malakas. Hart is there. Gets the ball and there's going to be a foul. Laban Piwinho.
Nakita mo yung pass ni Willie Miller, partner, no?
Hindi ko nga nakikita na eh.
Almost like a sleight of hand pass. Ang bilis eh.
He's got huge hands that he can just do a lot with that basketball.
Yes, and he's very comfortable playing with Raimundo kasi
Oh.
galing silang Ladran. No?
Oh, they speak the same language.
Yes, they know each other so well. Ito naman yung lakas ni Davon Hart underneath the boards, getting him this opportunity to score free throws.
Gentle triumph on and off the court. As you take a look at more of the beautiful faces here sa Phil Sports Arena. 3:20 remaining dito po sa ating final quarter. Big numbers today for Von Harp. 18 and 8. Misses that second free throw, however, and it's an odd 3-point lead at the moment para sa Pop Cola Panthers.
Alam mo, partner, hindi na natin nakita si Jolas dito.
That's right, I was just about to say that.
He's probably helping out on the bench.
Oh, what a shot.
Saitono with
What
a
a
three-point shot.
That is big.
Leisurely shot coming from Nelson.
He averaged 32.3% from three-point range last year. That's a big one. What a time to come. They're up by 6 here with 2:49 remaining. Babawini Pinisi, short. Rebound, struggle, picked up by Miller. He's open, no pan, no shot. Gives it to Agustin from the corner. Short pa rin. Rebound, nabitawan ni Raimundo. Babalik sa Panthers. Just when they needed it most, it's abandoning them. Yung kanila outside shooting. On the other hand, bumabalik na sa Pop Cola.
Alam mo, partner, kanina nakita natin si Willie Miller had an open shot. But
he didn't want to make it.
He elected a cross-court pass
Exactly.
to Agustin. I think he should take more shots, no?
Well, he's playing it cautious here in this first game. Guiño spinning. He's on the floor and a jump ball. Actually, yung mga paa ni Guiño lumilipat-lipat na doon.
Could have been a traveling partner or not a violation in effect,
Yes.
no? Dapat yun, turnover na. He had both his feet up while he was keeping possession of the ball.
It'll be Harp and Guiño sa front court ng Pop Cola as Joey Concepcion on the edge of his seat here. And why not? His team is up by 6 with 2:21 and just an opportunity for them to take a nice start in their 2001 campaign. Here's Saitono, laban kay Raimundo, shaking his head.
This is typical Nelson. He wants to go for the shot
And there's the foul.
and he draws the foul. That's typical Nelson Saitono.
You know, it reminds you of Muhammad Ali just shaking his head and saying, no problem. 6 personal fouls para kay Kirby Raimundo.
He had a solid game, partner. Solid game.
Wala ka nang hihilingin pa. 15 points, 5 rebounds for Kirby the Kid. But it's shower time for him dahil Saitono was a tough
Alam mo, partner,
nut
he
to
could have
crack.
easily scored 20 points in this game. Dami niyang miss from the inside. But that will come with more practice.
Yes.
He's sharpening up on his layups and his offensive game.
Well, this is his first game since maybe the early part or the first quarter of last year. In the meantime, Saitono continues his scoring splurge here.
Alam mo, partner, ito si Nelson, you either live with him or you die with him, no? It depends on whether he's on or whether he's off. Now, they're giving the ball to the ball. Tapos, sinasabi nila, bahala ka na, no? So if he makes bonehead plays, they lose. But if he makes good plays, they win.
Saitono with 15 points in the second half, and Pop Cola has an 8-point lead. Ginito Henson. 2 minutes and 9 seconds na lamang ang ating itatakbo dito sa laban na ito. At ang Pop Cola ay maganda ang dating sa kasalukuyan. 8 puntos sa kanilang kalamangan. Their biggest lead actually of the game. And mukhang Batang Red Bull has to do something drastic as we enter winning time here. The last 2 minutes brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette. Miller, short. And Hatfield with the rebound again. What a guy. What a guy. He is inspired. Well, actually, that's the way he plays. Ever since day one of his
Sabi
career.
natin, typical Nelson. Ito, typical Rudy Hatfield. Kita mo naman, partner, no?
Meron pa yung tumbling. Panoorin nyo yan.
O, napapakamatay nito
kita
si
pa naman
Rudy
yan.
Hatfield.
Alam mo, siguro nag-audition na rin to kay Boss Vic eh. Gusto paltan si Rudy.
Ako, ito naman, si Rupa
there's
May.
Rupa May.
Oo, naku, maganda naman ang tawad niya.
Kita mo, inaabangan nyo eh, no?
Oo.
Sabi niya, okay kaya? Oh. And there's LJ.
Sino naman ang inspiration?
LJ?
Oo.
Trigero ka talaga, pare. Miss Pochuino. Nilabas na Saitono is open for long distance. Yes! What a game!
Nag-low 5 pa ito si Nelson na Saitono sa referee. Tinigyan naman siya ng low 5.
That is a PLDT IDD long distance shot. Now your long distance calls can be longer with PLDT up to 75% off of IDD. Wow! Saitono with 19, Ginito 18 in the second half.
Alam mo, partner, kanina nasabi natin, no? That Pop Cola will live or die with Nelson Asaitono. I take it back because now meron sila Rudy Hatfield. Kung hindi pumuputo ito si Nelson Asaitono, they can go to another option and they can have both these players do a lot of damage against the opposition.
And it's now Hack-a-Heart time. He misses another one. Elmer Yanga anticipating a victory today. Maybe to start their 2001 campaign. Split from the line to Devon Harp. It's a 10-point lead para sa Pop Cola Panthers.
Here's a little bit of a pressure defense now. And Johnny Abarientos fouled crossing the midcourt line.
Rudy Valenzuela ang tatawagan ng kanyang pang-limang personal foul. At yan ay magbibigay ng 2 free throws kay Johnny Abarientos with only 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining here. It has been the Asaitono Hatfield connection. And what a lift they've had.
What about partner? We've got to give credit to Johnny Abarientos then, no? He has been on the forefront of this Pop Cola attack. Okay, he's not getting the points. He's not really in the thick of the inside battle, partner, no? But he's in there. And he's giving leadership. He's providing leadership to this Pop Cola team. Something that they didn't have last year.
Totoo yan. At si Johnny Abarientos nabigyan pa ng 2 free puntos ng Pop Cola. 12 na ang abante ng Panthers. We'll be back. Minuto, 28 saglit na lamang po ang nalalabi sa ating laro at 12 ang hahabulin at bubunuin. Naagawan pa si Pinisi, papabayaan niya si Asaitono, and it's been half the game for Nelson Asaitono. What a second half he's had. 21 points, 20 coming in the second half, and 14 coming in the fourth quarter. Just an incredible performance for the Bull. Miller.
Now he's looking for the shot, partner. Kita mo, no?
Too late the hero.
Oo.
Well, si Willie Miller trying to pick up his points. Ito muna yung ating swipe of the game. Ito yung ginawa niya sa ito na just moments ago. You've just witnessing the CMG swipe of the game from CMG, your provider of life insurance, pension, educational plans, and the CMG health swipe cards. Miller at the line, and he had a very respectable, decent debut here in the PBA. He masyadong mapuntos. This is only his first point of the quarter, 9 in the ball game. Pero maganda ang kanyang recognition of his teammates, and that's his role in the team actually. As Pinisi puts back the miss. Lead is down somewhat to 11 with only 63 seconds remaining. And when you have a Johnny Barrientos giving the ball, oh, a nice strip job coming from Pinisi. Agustin will take a beat at the three-point shot from long range. Wala. Miller with an offensive rebound. Pinisi. Wala pa rin.
At si Barrientos ang nakakuha ng bola. They had their chances, partner. Here's Potrino with a dunk. Ay, hindi.
Sinubo na lang.
Oh, sinubo na lang.
No need to get injured, sabi ni Poch. And it's a one game for the Panthers. Nice way to start their campaign. Remember, this is a team that struggled all year long last year. And they had a total overhaul of their team. Almost a total overhaul. Marami nagsasabi, matatagalan ang kanilang progress. But in this game, it's obvious that this team is going to be a force to reckon with.
Partner, in the end, both these teams had a lot of turnovers. Ito, may isa pang turnover itong Pop Cola. 28 turnovers for Pop Cola in total.
Wow.
As against 25 for Red Bull. Actually, less turnovers nga itong Red Bull. But here in the fourth period, a case of two players pouring it on, energizing their team, and scoring points and grabbing rebounds.
Sometimes that's all you need.
That's right. Hatfield and Azaytono, sila po ang bumuhay dito sa Pop Cola down the stretch.
Seconds remaining here.
Ito si Azaytono, kumuha pa ng rebound.
Oh, as you said, it's his last year of his contract at nagpapakitang gilas si Nelson Azaytono. A big win for the Panthers behind the Bull. Over the Batang Red Bull Thunder and their youth brigade, the veterans, take this one together with Rudy Hatfield. 88-77 ating naging final score. And what can you say? They came back strong in the fourth quarter, Kinito. And simply an overpowering performance. Ang ating FIBA best player of the game, sino ba?
Partner, dalawa napili natin, no? And we will